Alright, so Reggae Sumfest 2019. This is International Night, and I'm here with the UK X Factor winner 2019, Dalton Harris. How would you describe your performance?
It was me, me, and yeah, sing a couple songs.
You know, I don't understand, like, your level of humility remind me of this and shit. Like, you did a stellar performance, Dalton. You hit some note. Like, the only problem I hear is that some people were complaining, like, why them put you so early? Big act like you, why so early?
Man. If you look on the lineup, you have Virgo, Chris, Bojo, Berries, Etana, Janine. Ooh, for go first.
Yeah, but performance,
them don't know
why you
that
up there?
I remember some no person, I'm not a carrier Jamaica like that. Janine, them big, you don't know nobody now know me. So, yeah.
So what was your thought process like, you know, putting together this performance? You've performed at Sumfest already, some years ago on the digital stage, right?
Yeah.
And so coming back now, you know, with a whole other momentum going on, what was the thought process behind your performance?
There was one, I never rehearsed, that's one. And I go in for like, what, 2 hours, an hour?
Yeah.
Because I landed yesterday. And then, no, 4 days from Thursday, I'm sleep, literally. So flight, come, rehearse with them for 1 hour, and then we left. Run up and down, get things done. 2 of them will come, perform. And yeah, me just ever go 9-night. I nobody know you tell me say 9-night banners. No, it just go at 9-night, me just keep.
You did well, Dalton. I was just not understand like this level of humility. Like
Reggie,
you did really good. Really good. I was walking inside and I was hearing people like, yo, wow, I didn't know like Dalton can perform like this, cause people know you can sing, but we know Jamaican people.
That's
like, you know.
That's why when I do on Sumfest, cause I guess people judge too quickly, but it's fine, cause there's something to prove wrong. But it was a matter of when I do on Sumfest, boy no do nothing, him can't even sing my artist and and them people that wouldn't understand say me have so many songs to release and we do so much work, you know. But I guess me, I can walk with saying me now know say me deserve for the on Sumfest. Come on.
Yeah.
You know,
and it's an accomplishment
and it is an accomplishment for me, because I'm on the on Sumfest song time. So I work on it and do it. And yeah, I think I could have obviously always do better, but I'm alright.
Alright. So you mentioned earlier about the naysayers.
Yeah.
Like how did you manage to keep yourself grounded and not really affected by some of the criticism that you got?
I was affected, like I'm human, so there were days where I have a bad day, like I stress out like everybody else. I have a million things to do every single day, like there's a $1 million record deal I play, I have things to do. So, you know, if I have my bad days and I sit something, it can make me feel like crap, I can't say that word there. You can't bloop this?
No, why not good? Crap is okay.
Yeah. And then, let me say again. Yeah, so, I understand, say, if me focus on that, I can't do my job, and then I go back down here, so the same people are going to laugh at me, so I just choose to focus on, if you know, come back here, so come make nobody can say, I don't tell you I did dirty boy a long time, because the same people them will say, yeah man, him, but the same people them are going to say, no. But then again, all heap of people have big chat when them are battle with things, and then all heap of people have chat on social media, because that's the only place they matter. For the most part, people are very supportive. You know, Jamaican people love jump back at people. Sometimes they don't listen to you when they're doing it, but if you go far and go boss, them they back at you, you know, so I don't want this shed away from that.
Yeah. I know you're somebody who is very vocal in terms of talking about like mental health, and you try to build a very close relationship with your fans.
Yeah.
So why is it important for you to share that side, like the vulnerable side to you, with the people who support you online?
I think I'm a real person. Like I think for me, I say this to my manager all the time. Like when I wanted to be a singer, I don't want to do it without fame. And now I have fame, I still have to be a real person. So me in a therapy, because I have a
therapy?
Of course, my therapy make sure say if it's even once a week, I go into my therapist, because there's things I still have trauma where I heal from. Like life kick me a little bit, man, and things. So when you see me, I laugh, I laugh.
So like how often do you get to go? Because me as somebody who may I consider it, but me kinda
twice a week.
Feel like
once
it make me,
twice,
you know what I mean? Like if me go, it go make me see him as if.
No, sir. I'm fine to say, like, I've got have my issues with self-doubt and value, because you know get them things down there youth, but I go and make sure my head good, because and then you have the social media thing with me, I have to strong. You understand me? It's just one person who is me. I could be at 25. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try make something out of myself. I'm just way so big, so alright. Think about long guy, and what else?
Yeah.
You know?
When you talk about the outfit here, like why your shoes, like literally. This is how much that this is what 3-4 inches worth of those like
I
extra
bet pants
platform.
too tight again. You
No,
see how
they've
my
been
pants-
saying it. They've
you
been
see-
saying it
you see, but
online.
look on the pants, brother.
At the first, me see your pants have so much knee room.
Virgin, my pants them look so. Let me
Knee
tell you,
room, the
Jim.
first.
Hey,
What?
Me go cuss them now. Let me
Yeah.
tell people wicked.
No, why do you wear skinny jeans? Yeah.
You see, because me long and my maga.
Yeah.
My tight pants them look bigger than for everybody. But you see
Okay.
somebody, you know what fat youth me see halfway through that tight pants. I know where
No,
that's
here
at.
the thing, me to try the skinny
But
the
because
skinny
me
jeans,
have
but me
little
can't
body
wear
and them
it.
something that them judge me.
That's it.
Them sexual.
All right, so Mo, just like talk to me quickly about the album that you're working on, and how is the progress coming?
Well, I work with good people. I work with Justin Bieber people. Then I work with
Justin Bieber, okay?
Justin Bieber people. I work with Beyonce people. Then I work with everybody. Like if there's a room with a writer and a producer and thing, I go in and I write songs every single day with different people. Every single day for these 8 hours. So music will come soon.
And the sound, what we can expect, like
The
super
sound is
poppy
not-
rap,
No,
reggae?
no, me's not pop and me's
Okay.
not reggae. Me's me. And
Okay.
I don't know if you explain it to us, but yeah, song will come soon. Them I tell you for come out.
All right, so I can't go without
Backstabber!
asking you. Did you watch my review of your performances?
Yeah, I did,
on
yeah.
you,
After the show, I couldn't watch nothing.
so your side, I know the side, so you not go watch?
No, when I watch the video, them fight, I got distract me. I can't watch the thing them.
Okay, but you saw
I
it
don't
and
know
it was
what I
cool.
gonna say,
And it
so-
was cool, right?
Yeah, I did. But yeah, I appreciate it. And that's not true. I don't kick my foot, but I go sing now. I know.
Have a kick like him, play football and them type of thing there, eh?
You
Don't
definitely
lie.
do. You
That's a
definitely
lie.
do. Well,
Me
that
go
is
kick
it.
my foot tonight.
Well, that is it for my interview with the Dalton Harris. Now you can expect great more performances from him because him
Way
just
more, not great more.
Gee, you're going to cart me. You are this person.
you say
You know,
right.
some hear the mistake a while ago. Me I said maybe nobody.
Action. Run.
Well, that is it for my interview with the Dalton Harris. No, that is it, people, for my interview with the Dalton Harris. He's an extraordinary talent. Okay, see it right, so now the